Recently, I had purchased a 32 GB Ultra SDHC memory card for recording audio and screenshots from my FT710 radio. It can also be used for firmware updates. As my laptop did not have an SD card reader, I had to purchase one which could be connected to a USB port. The one I bought online had more options than just an SD card reader. There was a MicroSD card reader in addition to SD card reader. USB 2 and 3 sockets were there. The USB plug could be converted to Type C by pulling off the tip so as to fit into a Type C USB socket on a mobile phone. This is the tip of the device showing USB 3.0 socket. You can see the blue color inside, which indicates that it is USB 3.0, which is of course faster than USB 2.0. Here you can see two USB sockets, USB 2.0 sockets with white color inside, and you can see the SD card and micro SD card readers side by side as well. At the other end, you can see USB 3.0 plug, which can be connected to laptop. Tip of the USB 3.0 plug can be pulled out to show the USB Type C plug. This can be connected to USB Type C socket in a mobile phone.